Alright, this is to demonstrate an ice assist bar. This bar is included in the accessory box, shipped separate with the unit. It ships along with it, but it is in a separate box. It's in the box that includes the installation and cleaning kit that comes along with the unit. And I'll show you how to put this on the unit. It actually assists the user with refilling the ice hopper on the unit. We'll remove the lid off the unit. We'll put the bar in place. After the bar is in place, we can set the lid back on. We'll take a bucket just to demo how you would refill the ice and how the bar would assist with it. Assuming this were your ice bucket, we have the bucket full of ice, we can set it up and prop it on the ice assist bar so that it helps in tilting the bucket, it helps in supporting the weight of the bucket while you're filling the ice hopper. After you dump your ice in, bring your bucket back down, you'll be able to easily replace your lid.